Also, the spinach is doing well in autumn. As you can see, it's still standing, it's fine. And we also have the baby ones. They are doing well. In 1 week, they are growing. And I said this is cauliflower. Even the spring onions, they are doing well. Carrots are other things that we can consider planting in autumn. They are very doing well in autumn and winter. You can mix them with spring onion. We mix them with red cabbage, and then also mix them with spinach. And also mix them with potatoes. Mix them with potatoes. They go very well together. Yeah. In winter. And the beans, and also the beans, guys. Don't forget the beans, okay? The beans, they are not out yet. Broad beans, yes. I also planted. I also did this one. Okay, broad bean. Yeah, it's also doing well in winter, in autumn. Yes, they are not out yet. They are not out yet, but I did plant them. I did plant them. Okay. Yeah. This is pumpkin. I didn't plant this one. This one is just coming out by itself. Okay. Even this one, I left it here, but it's like they are all coming out. I didn't uproot it. I left it there so that I can get more out of it. Okay, guys. After a week, now my spinach is coming out well. You guys remember how were they when I was planting them? Yes, it shows I gave them the love and care. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. 1 week in, you. Okay, the other one is this one. This one, it was in very, very, very bad shape. But look now, look now. Do you remember how small were they? Now they are coming well. They are coming very well, very well. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Even the beetroot. It's just that I didn't show you the beetroot. The beetroot also was there. They are coming well. Aha. They are all doing well, guys. Look, 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 look. Look. The other one. Others are over there. can't believe there are two here. Okay. I didn't see them. They were two. Oh my god. I was supposed to separate. Okay. I did not see they were two. Beautiful. They are coming out very well, guys. They are growing slowly. This is 1 week late. 1 week late, guys. Okay. Apart from that, I planted these babies here. These babies here. Oh, they are coming out so well. I didn't think they would come out so quickly. There's radish and what? I planted radish and what is the name of that? I can't remember. I will show you. I'll look for the paper and show you. Everything is coming out well, guys. Even the weeds are coming out. Can you imagine? But I'm happy my crops are doing very well. Okay. Autumn plants. Red cabbage. This is my red cabbage. Yes, red cabbage do well in autumn. Beetroot. Okay, red cabbage. Beetroot also is good for autumn and winter, guys. As you can see, it's growing. These babies came here very small. They were in bad shape when I bought them at the nursery. As you can see, beetroot also do well in winter, autumn, winter season. Yeah, cabbage, as you can see, is the way. This is red cabbage. Okay, this is red cabbage. This is cauliflower. Broccoli. Is it cauliflower or broccoli? Okay, let's see. Cauliflower.